These are the Audio-Technica ATH-M50xBTs. Here's why I think these are the best value headphones right now. So it seems like there's this price curve with headphones where the quality slowly goes up and the price slowly goes up equally, and then they eventually hit a point where the quality levels off and the price keeps going up. I think the ATH-M50s land right on this spot. I think they're the highest quality headphones for their price. They're made out of a plastic on most parts, but very flexible on the top and around the sides with size adjusting on the side. I would consider them fairly comfortable because they are very light. The headphones come with a cover, mostly just for keeping out dust because they won't protect the headphones totally from being damaged. Here's a case that doesn't come with the headphones, but is really good for keeping them safe from being squished or damaged. There's a button for pausing and playing, and a volume up and a volume down button. There's also an on and off switch for turning on the Bluetooth. The buttons do kind of land in an awkward position, but it just takes some getting used to. There's a touch sensor on the left side that will activate the virtual assistant. However, it's not very consistent with working all the time. The headphones charge with a micro USB on the side. The battery life is amazing, lasting up to 40 hours or more. I think it's probably way more than that considering that I have not charged them since I got them. The headphones come with a removable cable that can be attached to the headphones when using them plugged in, or removed when using Bluetooth. They have an angle on the side that plugs into the device, but some people may not find it convenient. The cable has a built-in pause and play button as well as a mic. Here's a test from what the mic audio sounds like. Testing 1 2 3. This is the built-in audio from the cable. Testing 1 2 3. It's definitely good enough for basic call or gaming. Another unfortunate thing about the cable is it doesn't have volume control, it's just pause or play. People doing music editing and audio editing for their videos will really enjoy how well balanced the sound is. The Bluetooth does have a little bit of latency, but it's not too much. It's definitely good enough for mobile gaming or watching videos. As far as the sound, the headphones are more balanced, so you can mostly just hear left and right and not surround like front and back. There is an app, but it's kind of annoying considering there was an update that took hours to finish. These are really great for music listening, considering they have a really balanced sound that's not too bass or treble heavy, and they have the same audio quality on Bluetooth. I did notice when I started wearing them, my ears would kind of hurt after a few hours of wearing them, and I realized that they were kind of positioned wrong, so really making sure they're pushed back on the back part of your ear is really important. I think the sound quality is unmatched in its price range, so if you're looking to do some audio editing or video editing, pick up these headphones. I think they're the best option for the price. Keep a lookout for the deals that may happen, because on Amazon and B&H sometimes they'll go down in price. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. See you in the next one.